Hi there. Welcome to iCloud. Today, we'll walk you through how to complete the Facebook Business Manager verification. If your BM is not verified, your WhatsApp API usage will be limited. 1. Each phone number can only send business-initiated conversations to 250 unique users per day. 2. You can only register up to 2 phone numbers. Before you begin, prepare the following. 1. An official website must be HTTPS encrypted, must display the company name on the website. 2. An official document containing the legal name of the business, example, business license, company bylaws, or enterprise tax certificate. The document must show the full name, address, and phone number of the company. 3. Company email address, required if choosing email verification. The email domain must match the website domain. Once you have all the materials ready, we can begin the process. First, log into your Meta Business Manager and go to the Security Center. Then, click Start Verification. If you don't see the Start Verification button, please complete the embedded sign-up via the iCloud console first. After clicking the Start Verification button, a pop-up window with your business information will appear. Next, submit your business info. Select your country, region, and your business type. Enter your legal business name, address, phone number, and website. Make sure everything matches your official documents. Now, choose your business. If you don't see it in the list, just select My Business Isn't Listed. Meta offers 5 different verification methods, but we recommend using email verification as it's the simplest and fastest. This video will demonstrate how to use this method. Then upload business documents. The file should include your company's legal name and address, and ideally, the phone number. Enter your company domain email address, and once you receive the code, enter it to complete verification. After submitting, you may receive the result as fast as 10 minutes or up to 14 business days. You'll be notified once it's complete. Here are some frequently asked questions you might encounter. What if I can't pass the verification or it takes too long? This is entirely managed by Meta, and iCloud cannot speed it up. What if I don't see the Start Verification button? You can initiate verification by first creating a WABA in iCloud. The button will then appear in your Meta Business Manager. Is BM verification the same as the blue tick verification, OBA? BM verification confirms your business identity, while the blue tick verification, OBA, is a brand recognition feature for your WhatsApp number and follows a different process. That's the full process of verifying your Meta Business Manager. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more WhatsApp tutorials coming soon.